Ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rajhapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
UMLA kejuai constituency bawa elat mikishila ubedena keseng NPP ulang baka Voice of the People Party ni ke VPP kan empoi syairu bahkan omla hiru bantau pertai. Ulang bahaba kinong yalam keseng VPP kiwan syakithan jantia kipat ba kisuan banpet ka banpet kalong ka bakumno kata keseng. Ulang bakalong kumju kumbalong ke TMC.
Yang hakajo last time ngakan mau at the same time kubakila kali I think pihi bakali ngaya ka with the very same thing about TMC. Ngata kejuba ko jong ngata kejo hi ba ngihi ku bubreu ni tend to bend toward new thing. Ba thamai ni kwa ban try kalong kumno. Tengah yo i hakpo jantia hoi menta there is a bit of you kipai ba ki kwa ban one page ba kumno kata ka party VPP. Tambah ngayo iba there is no future for them in apa ayo. There is no future for them. Nga kumbanga ong iba kinom la ban sina pertai yang te. Namar baki yo ki ayo kumba mentaro ilayo iya ka nenyi ki isu baki keren kitang sukren. It's not practical. It's not practical. Mentah kino ki isu ki ba ka government jongi kala ale ki sim credit maki. Klaim ayu kum last time kila chete ki ong em kadon kane ka ayu kade ka manrega ba ayu ka kani ka material portion ki ong tang su tho thi mangi la release. What is that? Mundai ka kata ka bom la pan long. Ta kata mut kade ka ayu jong ka government ni de ka kade ka material portion kade na central government kan release ka central government kumno ka state government kan release. Temut kita ki ba ki sushim kabung ya kino ki ayu ki kam ya ladi mo ngayo ba this thing can ya chipang tamba I don't think it will be successful for them in JTS. So I think it's too soon to say, but I don't think like ngaku mangalaong but I don't think but they will be able to make such an impact hante namar kumba hapo kumno nong kumba pila yo iba ka kumno ka TMC ka jai ka TMC menta TMC ro menswa support ka long very ka long ayu ba hapo jantia tahu menta la aja non so ya the same thing will happen to VPP.